Hey y'all, I'm Cheryl McMasters and we're here in my kitchen and I'm with my good friend Carissa and we are here to show you one of the many ways that you can make a recipe using McMasters Hawg sauce.
Y'all, in my house, we love stir fry. We have it probably 5 days a week. All the veggies and the meats and that yummy rice, but I get so tired of my old stir fry sauce. So one day I was kicking around the kitchen and I found that hog sauce with a few other ingredients makes the perfect sweet and sour sauce for a stir fry.
Let's get cooking, Carissa.
All right, first we've got our boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and they're all cut into uniform pieces. I'm just gonna make a little marinade here. It's just got rice wine vinegar, a little bit of cornstarch, and some egg whites with a little salt. All this is gonna do is to tenderize it. We're gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before we start the cooking. Miss Cheryl, do you have that chicken we've already prepared over there?
I do, let me get it. You know, if you want your chicken to be a little more tender, you can put it in a pot of boiling water for 2 or 3 minutes before you put it in the skillet.
All right, so we'll just take it out of boiling water and let it brown up in the skillet. Start getting some nice color on there. All right, so we finished up this chicken and I don't want it to overcook, so I'm just gonna finish getting it out of the pan here.
So Carissa, can we go ahead and put the vegetables in there?
Go for it.
All right, here we go. Those look great. They're so pretty.
Very colorful.
I love all the colors.
That's the good thing for you.
Yep.
Eat your colors. All right, Miss Cheryl, now it's time for the sauce.
Okay.
I'm just going to pour in some water and cornstarch.
Okay. Thicken it up a little bit.
That's right. Add a little bit of rice wine vinegar.
All right.
I like that for the tang.
Yeah.
And then a little bit of honey for the sweet.
Yeah.
I also have one other little ingredient, which is called chili garlic sauce. That gives it just the teeniest edge of heat.
Okay.
Put that in there. All right.
And then we can't forget the most important ingredient, McMasters Hawg sauce.
That's
we
right.
need 2/3 cup of that, right?
Yes. Now let me tell you, my family loves this stuff.
Yes.
My daughter would drink it if I would let her.
Wow.
Just the other day, she asked me for hog sauce on her breakfast.
Oh, wow.
So that's how I came to experiment with all the different ways I can use hog sauce.
Okay, well here it is, McMasters Hawg sauce.
All right, we're just going to mix that in with the other ingredients.
Pour it in.
Very nice.
Okay.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Okay, so our stir fry is ready. The vegetables are nice and tender. And this is the perfect point to pour some sauce over it. We're just going to let that sauce sit in the pan for a minute or two and thicken up till it coats everything with this delicious hog sauce yumminess.
The rice is ready. Carissa, can you bring over the stir fry? I'm ready to eat.
All right, it looks very good.
That looks great.
Let me
I
dish
can't
this
wait
out.
to eat it.
All right, let's get those yummy veggies on top.
Look at the vegetables.
Delicious sauce.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Look at this.
Ready to take a bite?
I'm ready. That is good. I
That's
love
comfort
this
food in my
recipe.
house.